How to log in or sign in to your Trust Wallet account on iOS device. Well, it's a similar process for both iOS and Android device. First of all, what you want to do is you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the application Trust Wallet on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open the app. Tap on Get Started at the bottom. Two options will be visible to you. One is Create a new wallet and the other is Add existing wallet. So if you don't have your account yet, then you can tap on Create a new wallet and then follow the on-screen process. If you already have your account, then click on Add existing account. Enter the passcode of your device and then re-enter it. It will land you on this page. Different options will be visible in order to log into your account. From here, you can choose any of the method. Let me click on the very first one, secret phrase. Now you have to select the specific network. In this section, you have to enter the secret phrase that you have received while creating your account. Once you enter it here, tap on Restore Wallet and then you will be logged into your specific account and you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Trust Wallet account on iOS device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.